Huh? I got tape. Put the tape on.
Read no aquí. No aquí. Fish scale.
Fish scale, huh? ¿Te acuerdas esa palabra?
That's a good deal. As long as everything is straight, man, trust me, it can happen.
Junior, one. Trust it.
That's my thing. As long as you good, I know he's good, he know I'm good.
Okay,
and I know that guy's good, because you know what? You're not going to see him. All you're going to see is me.
In my country, I'm an investor to attract spoilers. I'm an investor. But that is why I tell you, I cannot be in the field negotiating and talking to people. In this age and in this time, it's hard for me to find people who trust like that. It's very hard. We're talking about money of high volume. I'm never going to jail. I'm going to tell you that straight up. I'm never going to get mixed up with anything. Because what I do is what I do. I invest. I stay on the outside, yeah?
When are you coming this way?
I'm not coming that way for now, Holmes. I'm on tour now. I'm working.
Oh, you're working. Oh, okay.
I'm on tour.
Well, we'll be in touch.
Okay.
Hey, ponemos en la mesa, ¿eh?
Sí, está bien. ¿Tú me ayudas con esto? Después tengo que ir rápido. ¿Entiendes?
No está abierto esta sala.
Ah, espera.
Ya. Ya.
¿Cómo te va?
Tengo mi mano.
¿En este lado? Vete a la mesa. Coge la mesa. Y tengo un cuchillo ahí a la izquierda.
Yeah, text it to me right now, because I'm in the middle of something. Yeah. Let's see what it is.
Tú explicaste que eso es todo para otras personas.
Sí,
No,
sí.
these son
No, that's okay. He's saying that he's leaving right now because he gotta take this to somebody.
Está bien.
We gonna live together. No problem. Huh? I got tape. Put the tape on.
Read no aquí. No aquí.
Fish scale.
Fish scale, huh? ¿Te acuerdas esa palabra? Fish scale.
Sí.
¿Te acuerdas? Okay, so.
Alright, we talking about boy now.
Nothing?
Mira, tú me abres la puerta.
espera.
Te voy.
No. Take one more. Take any more.
No, it's okay.
You can stop it.
¿Quieren usar trampa también?
Let me open the door first. No.
Let's go.
Nice meeting you.
All right. We gotta go too. Let's go. We're talking about that. I called you when I got you.
won't turn off? Yeah, call me on this, yeah. 30. I just thought you right, you know? Yeah. Yeah.
All right. You tell me when.
Okay, my number.
He's gonna call me right now. Put it to 917.
Hold on, I write. I don't have the phone here. I need to write it up. I left it on the car. Put it in a piece of paper here. I don't have the pen. I usually do it also.
You baby? What's going on, man?
What's in the fridge to drink?
I've been trying to call you like crazy on that
Yeah.
stuff, but man, I just get the machine.
When?
What's that? What's that?
Oh, this is.
Yeah, wine.
What do you call it?
Drink it.
When is this?
That's good.
Okay.
We're going to need something.
How you stay, man? How you stay? Huh? I'm good right now, man. How you looking? Yeah. Looking good, real good. Yeah, your people, yeah. Yeah, the top. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, why soon you get at me, man? I'm here right now. I mean, I'm like right now. That's why I told you to call me right back. I mean, I'm saying I'm here with people right now, so I mean, I just need to know what, you know, how you looking, what, you know, how many, blah, 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 blah. Huh? That's what I'm saying. You want to come back? Yeah, man, come on up, man, and we can talk. Yeah, come up and talk. Man, if you want to come, you want to come this evening, man, I'm here. Cause right now I'm close to it over to my Marla. You can come this evening and call me. In the morning? All right, in the morning then. Put it together for the morning, then we meet up. Just lock this number in. Actually, I'm gonna call. Yeah, lock this number in.
Find what you want.
Yeah, exactly, do that. Yeah. And now give me the number for the phone. I'm okay about this. I'm checking the number. Well, this guy about 30 a week, man.
For 30, not 30 a week. He was talking to me
Yeah.
and saying that you could take 20 in one shot, no? 30 in one shot.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm
For
saying.
that, I give you a better price. I don't care how much you charge him.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Talk business. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you.
If he comes with the money, and
Well,
you take your money out.
That's how it is, man. It's straight cash, man. I'm gonna see how the thing with him now. Okay, and that's why I was asking you about shipment and all this stuff. We got a guy who we're doing some business with. You see? The guy was giving it to me for 23. And he taking up to Georgia. See, this guy's in Georgia.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? But this guy and him be doing business, but see the guy, he can't supply him. You see? This guy, if he can get 100 a week at a price, and soon, boom, it's gone. This is how he move, I'm telling you. This guy is serious.
Okay.
Plus he's all about numbers with him. You see what I'm saying? If the numbers don't make sense, he don't
I
listen.
am right with the numbers if you're talking on that amount. If you're talking weight, I give you the price
Man,
right.
this guy, I'm telling you,
You pretty much will call the price if you go for 100. Let's put it that way. If you wanna take it, I
You
can't
name the
produce 100.
price.
Eh?
You name the price. Yeah, give it.
I can produce 100 for you if you come for 100. At 23, no problem.
Okay.
At 100,
I'm telling you, this guy buying
you think that guy would come for 100?
man,
No.
no, he's not gonna buy it all at the same time.
Oh,
You know? But like I'm saying, if you have, like for instance, if you get 30 today, okay, and you can give him 30
All right,
for
this-
tomorrow, and 30 for tomorrow,
Perfect.
he can get rid of him, because see, the thing with him, he don't watch numbers on his side, you see? As long as he can get the product, he move the
all right,
product.
this is what we do.
Yeah,
This is what we do.
yeah,
I'll give it to you at 23.
yeah.
But this is how we do it. It comes from 30, it will pay me at 25. He comes for the next 30, he pay me at 25. The next 30 that will make the 100, then he will deduct $2,000 out of 60.
Yeah.
Okay, 60 times 2, $120,000 less than he pay me when he comes for the last 30.
Yeah.
Got a deal?
No, say that again. Say that again. No, you said that so fast.
Okay. First, he comes for 30 tomorrow.
Yeah.
And you told him.
Yeah.
He pays me at 25 a kilo.
Yeah.
He comes back and gets done with those 30. He comes back for another 30. He pays you at 25 with those 30.
Right.
He comes back now, and now he's proving himself for the next 30.
Yeah.
That's 90.
Yeah.
I want him to pay me minus the $3,000 I already charged him. The 2,000.
Right. Per load.
If he takes 60 for me at
Right.
25,
Right.
I will give him credit for 2,000 times 60 when he comes back for the 30.
Man, if you,
I mean,
that's
I'm
a
just
good
a
deal.
businessman.
That's a good deal. As long as everything is straight, man, trust me, it can happen.
Junior, one.
You see?
Trust him.
That's my thing. As long as you good, I know he's good, he know I'm good.
Okay,
And
that's
I know that guy's good, because you know what? You're not gonna see him. All you're gonna see is me.
okay.
You're not gonna see nobody but me.
Perfect. And I'm gonna take care of you, and you take care of me. You cover
Okay.
my back, I cover your
You're
back.
not gonna see him.
Yeah,
He's gonna come. He already just said he come tomorrow. He'll come here, bring me the money, and I gotta come see you. He don't see nobody.
That's it.
Okay.
You take care of your business, and I'll do right. And I'm gonna give you. He'll talk to you about what I'm taking care of him of.
Yeah,
Fine,
yeah,
man.
we don't even need no five, man. Just because we don't keep nothing. I don't break nothing down. I don't do that.
Okay.
Just 1, 2.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Just do us good on that. Because I don't want nothing to sit with and nothing to stay with.
You are a man. You are a gentleman of your business. You know what you're doing.
Yeah, yes. I
You know?
don't break. I don't do all that. I just 1, 2. Boom,
Okay.
boom, boom.
But I said him, I give me the fire, you can sell your boy.
I give it to him. I give it to you. That's a
No,
man.
you don't want that. We don't move it to you yet.
Yeah, you move it, you move it.
It's good. Yeah.
No, I know what he's saying. You don't get out with his family cash.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, you don't want to sit here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys just exchange numbers, you know.
Yeah, we're going to get on.
Come on.